Hey everybody, this is Dave Espino, and I am coming to you with something that's pretty cool, pretty exciting, and this is created by James Renuff and Max Gerstenmaier, and this is called Phantom Mint. What it is really, it's shockingly simple, shockingly easy way to create your own meme coin. Now, a meme coin is a crypto token or a crypto coin that you can create, and right now, a lot of meme coins are getting a lot of traction, meaning that people are investing in meme coins because they feel like it's going to be something that explodes, something pops. And the key to meme coins is to come up with a great meme. So if all you have is a great idea, or if all you have is something that's trending, that you know is hot right now, and you create a meme coin based on that, then you can make that thing explode. And that's what this is all about. I'm showing you through the members area here, and you can see all the different things you get. Here's the introduction video that kind of tells you a little bit about it. Here's the big picture of how this all works, how you can capitalize on trends. Literally, if all you know is how to upload an image, you can do this. This is so simple, so almost ridiculously simple to do. They talk about why this is the perfect opportunity right now, the big reveal, meaning how and where you can do this and how you can do it super, super quickly. You can launch a meme coin in a few minutes. So all the stuff that you used to have to know in order to launch a crypto token is all gone. Like, it's super, super easy now to do. That's why, I don't know if you heard, but there was a kid, I think it was like a 12-year-old kid that created a meme coin and made like $50,000 literally overnight. So this is really an interesting opportunity. It's not your typical internet marketing opportunity that I promote, but it is well researched. They walk you step by step through how to do it. And believe me, once you see this, you'll realize, whoa, this is really ridiculously simple to do. But the idea here is, as you see here, what meme coins should you make and how to find what's trending right now. And then you create a meme coin and it pops. And now you're the owner of a meme coin that is worth quite a bit of money that you can then cash in, or you can just hold on to it for as long as you want. It's really a fascinating and exciting, very interesting opportunity. I'm going to be digging into this myself and checking it out in more detail, but I wanted to walk you through the members area so you could see what is all here. And as you can see, these are all the videos that you get, all the details that you need. Frankly, you can learn all the details in about 2 or 3 of these videos, and all the rest are like, they like to over deliver and give you even more value. So check it out. It's called Phantom Mint. Use the link in the description below and get started creating your own meme coin.